Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, trailer wiring, tinted glass, a stability control system, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, a keyless entry system, and XM satellite radio which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.